Longer than time, wider than space. An endless journey to a distant place. The task ahead will not hold back. So give your all to make it crack. Do not expect victory in the vicinity. This is called the Cast Infinity. Hey puzzle lovers, and welcome back! Today I'm going to attempt to solve one of the hardest Hanayama puzzles. The name of this puzzle is the Cast Infinity, and it has a 6 out of 6 difficulty rating, which means it's a level 10 puzzle, one of the hardest that you can find. Like the other Hanayama puzzles, the design is neat and has a nice finish. According to the description of this puzzle is called Cast Infinity not only for its appearance, but also because its movement continues endlessly until the pieces are taken apart. So now it is time to solve this puzzle, let's go! And here is our Hanayama puzzle. Look at it, it looks so neat, and you can really see that it has this infinity sign. That's so cool, this puzzle looks so neat. It's quite small actually, I thought it would be a bit bigger, but wow, what a beautiful puzzle. So this puzzle is made of 3 pieces. So you have the main body, and then inside you have these 2 kind of round rings that will be the ones that you need to remove from the main body, and you will have to play with these 2 pieces. Really, I love this puzzle so much. It looks really neat, really shiny, a really beautiful puzzle. Also, this puzzle is designed by a puzzle designer from Finland called Vesa Timonen. When you take this puzzle, the first movement that you can make is to drop this piece down, and also you can sometimes turn it like this. The other piece doesn't move at all for now, so maybe later when you will kind of do a specific movement with this one, you will unlock this one to rotate. And the main goal of this puzzle is to remove these 2 pieces out of this body. So I guess we will just start it like it wants us to start. You can sometimes also see the cuts inside of each piece, and that's really so nice. And it looks like that it's a 2-floor design. Like you have different cuts from the bottom here, but if you look inside of the puzzle, you will see different shapes. So it will be maybe like a kind of maze. So for now I can just rotate this one like this, and then you can lower it, and you are kind of stuck already, so maybe it's not correct move. I cannot really go and rotate this piece on the other side, so I believe there is a certain position that you need to be before doing anything else. Okay, so we will start like this. Maybe I don't need to drop it after, not really, so I do need to go lower. But then, so this piece is really stuck. I cannot do anything. Like I cannot lower it, and I cannot turn it at all. So everything is starting with this one. So from here, I need to go up again, then rotate it. Okay, so I cannot do anything else actually. Oh yes, okay. That's actually practical to be able to put your finger inside. So, first thing I did was to lower from 1 floor. I turn this one, and then I can finally rotate this one. And oh, it goes up now. Okay, so that's good. And now, okay, so I push this one back up, and then I can rotate this one again. That's really nice. You can see the cuts inside. There are like so many different shapes inside. That's really nice actually to see that all this stuff is hidden at the beginning, and so you just figure it out while you are solving this puzzle. So if I lower this one, nothing, I cannot do anything. So oh, okay. So I can turn it more now. Okay, so I end up at the opposite side, and I believe I will need to do the same with other one. So we keep playing with these two pieces, trying to go up or down, and then try to find the combination, the right position for them to be able to turn. But also, okay, so I can continue to turn this one. But I cannot turn this one anymore. Okay, so with this one, it's like, oh, so I felt like I kept turning this one and coming back to the original position, but actually it was a good move because it made this one almost out. And now you can really see that these different cuts all around, and that you need to be in a specific level to be able to turn these two pieces. And you can also see that inside of this puzzle there is another part that lock this piece. So I believe it would be the same for the other one. Now, what is the next step? Okay, so yeah, I can keep turning this one now. So that will be the plan now, to try to make this one getting out. I can't turn it anymore. Maybe I need to kind of put it back from the beginning. And yeah, I just come back to the beginning and nothing happened. So there is one of them that I really cannot turn at all at any time, except at the beginning. So there should be something at some point, and I cannot really turn them at the same time. It's not possible. So I'm back here with this one final move that I need to find out. That I cannot find. So, oh, finally. No. Okay, so I can turn it one more time. So that means I need to do a complete turn for this one then. Maybe I need to... That would be funny if I need to go back to the beginning now with this one. And one more time. Okay, so this one is back to the beginning. And this one now is... okay, yeah, I can continue now. You see? So now I need to put this one back at the point that I can almost get it out. And maybe every time I do that, I will be able to turn the other piece just a bit. Oh, that would be a long puzzle to solve. Yep, I can turn it one more time, and then I need to go back to the beginning. So crazy. I understand now why infinity, because you have to repeat the movement over and over. Wow, that's crazy. So we keep going back to the beginning with this one, like this. And now we can turn one more time this one. Oh, and here it is. There were another locking part inside of this puzzle. Wow, so crazy. And this one now you can just turn it as much as you want. Easy peasy, and you can remove it. Whoa! Wow. Amazing, just amazing to know that yes, what is behind the name Infinity. You just have to keep repeating the movement over and over until you align actually the openings with the blocking part of the main body. That's so crazy. Really, it's such an enjoyable and very smart puzzle. I mean, wow, what a puzzle. So now look at this. You can really see, so there is the two floors that I was talking about. Here you have, we will say, here you have the first floor where you will have these specific cuts that are different from the second floor. And so every time you will play with this puzzle, you will align one floor or the second floor to try to turn everything. And that's why sometimes you are locked, because the shape doesn't allow you to turn one of the pieces. That's so nice. That's really so nice. What a great puzzle. I really love it. It's really so neat. I like the mirror effect on it. It's really a beautiful puzzle. And yeah, you have a name Infinity on it with actual infinity symbol. That's really a beautiful puzzle. I quite love it. So now, time to put it back. And I do believe that also it will be a handless movement to put back everything together. So I put this one first, and you want it to be back at its original position, where you will have the cut looking to the big hole, and then you will put back this one. So this one get out like this. No, wait, I forgot how I remove this one.
One eternity later.
Did I mix? Ah, I mixed the, okay, be very careful. The parts that are inside the main body have a different size actually. One is much bigger. So that changed everything. Now I can put back my part easily. Now it should be easy to solve. So I put back this one here, and then I can put this one here. And yeah, I should be able to do my first move that I was struggling to do at the beginning. So now, of course, time to speed up this part, because it will be just to do all the movement over and over to put back all the pieces to their original place. And here is the final result. Wow, this puzzle is really crazy, but it's so smart. I really love the concept that actually you can just put your two fingers inside the pieces. So it's very easy to move the parts when you are not blocked, of course, but really a very nice puzzle. And the name makes so much sense actually. Love the name, love the concept, love the puzzle. Wow, what a crazy puzzle. I love it. This puzzle has been solved, and what a relief. Infinity puzzle solved. And another puzzle. Wow, what a crazy puzzle. I loved it so much. I love the fact that the name has so much meaning to this puzzle. If you understand the name, then you understand what you need to do to solve this puzzle. Because really it's just like doing the same movement over and over to be able to remove these two pieces out of this puzzle. That was so crazy. I enjoyed so much to solve this puzzle, and I hope you did enjoy this puzzle and watching this video as well. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, support me, put a like on this video. It will really mean a lot to me. I see you next week for a new video. Tschüss!